Rachel Willow here. So unfortunately, with fall coming up and being right around the corner, I really honestly don't know where summer went, but it's gone and fall is here. So with that, I just want to do a friendly reminder of things that you should be starting to think about, unfortunately, with the weather change. So as many of you who have been having to do housework or home repairs may know, most inspectors and contractors are booked out to beat the band. So now is the perfect time though to reach out to the people who can come and service if you have a fireplace, your HVAC units, and any of your fall and winter outdoor equipment. So if you are needing someone to come and look at your snow blower, if you're needing someone to look at your sweeper for your leaves or your lawnmower to get ready to mulch all those leaves, anything like that, start trying to get on someone's schedule. Same thing with sealing your driveway if you haven't already done that. If you have a blacktop driveway, that's something else that you want to try and get done before winter hits. Some other things that you want to make sure that you have ready to go and in place. If any of your equipment broke last year, such as rakes, or you don't have enough leaf bags, start having those. Stockpiling on wood if your fireplace is a wood burning fireplace. Make sure you have enough to last you through fall and winter. And then just a couple of other things to make sure you have ready, available, and have them up to date, such as changing out your air filter, making sure that your smoke detectors are in place, and same with your carbon monoxide. If they're not in place, putting them in. And if you do already have them, making sure that the batteries are up to date and new, or having them in the house so you can change them out when that time comes. Some other things that you just want to start thinking of too is at some point here you are going to be needing to start thinking of winterizing your home if you live in an area that gets cold enough to need it to be winterized. So same thing, start thinking of the additional items that come with the change in season. And I will have a separate video that I will be posting later on about how to winterize your home and get ready for the cold season, which is also going to be upon us very soon. So if you guys have any questions or comments, or you want me to recommend you to any inspectors in the area, just comment below. Have a great day. Bye.